Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Toyota Camry key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This quick and easy process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom of the fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight, careful twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic housing or internal components. Once open, you'll see the old battery. Next, we'll replace the battery. Before you remove the old one, take a quick look at its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it, making sure the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. It should click into place. Finally, let's put it all back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. And hey, while you're upgrading your car experience, why not check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals? It's a small touch that makes a big difference. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.